Welcome to ATeck. If you have a Wi-Fi connection but it's not giving you a good internet speed, if your Wi-Fi connection is very slow, especially in your desktop or laptop, then this video is for you. We will be doing some very easy steps which you need to follow, then your Wi-Fi speed will be definitely in a better state. So let's get started. First of all, we just need to do a right click in the start icon, and then we need to click on Run. And here we need to type ncpa.cpl. Now once you have typed it, hit OK. Now a new window will appear like this, Network Connection, where you have Ethernet and Wi-Fi. If you're using Ethernet or Wi-Fi, it doesn't matter because the settings will remain same for all. So since I'm using Wi-Fi, so I'll select Wi-Fi and press right click and move to Properties. We just need to click on this Configure tab. And once you click on this Configure tab, we need to go to Advanced. Here we need to go to this Roaming Aggressiveness. Now in Roaming Aggressiveness, you might have this selected to Medium, Medium High or Highest. So higher the value, slower the communication. If your Wi-Fi signal is absolutely fine, I would recommend to make it 2 or make it 1. It's up to you whether you select Medium Low or Low. Because lower the value, higher the internet connection. Once you do that, at the right-hand side, you will have the Power Management. So if you see the Power Management, you just need to click on that Power Management, and you need to uncheck that Allow Power to turn off. So there will be a check mark in the Power Management. You just need to uncheck that and you just need to click on OK. So once you do that, Wi-Fi will be reconnected. Once this is done, just do a right click again and then go to Properties. And here we need to select Internet Protocol version 4. And then go to Properties, enter the Google DNS 8.8.8.8. Now the reason why we are giving a Google DNS, because when we visit any website, it resolves the query. So it will be faster if you give a specific DNS to your computer. So next time whenever you will open your browser and type anything to the address bar, it will load the websites faster. So you can type the primary DNS 8.8.8 and here 8.8.4 and 4. Once you do that, hit OK. And then close this window. So in last restart the computer and see the difference. So, let us know, how's the performance of your Wi-Fi, and how's the speed of your Wi-Fi now. I hope this short tutorial has helped you. If you like the tutorial, subscribe my channel for more tech updates.